Okay guys, this is the next day, Sunday. So if you watched my last video, this is the start of this video. Anyway, today, one class, box only. Hope I can go a lot more rounds a day than I did the previous day. So we did get the car all warmed up and all that stuff. I'll throw the 360 camera on top. Go from there. So with that, someone's singing outside. I'm not sure what's going on. He's enjoying himself. So with that, let's get on with the day. Okay guys, we got all our testing done. Car is really consistent. Ran two 660s. Reaction, I'm reacting a little bit quicker than I was yesterday. So I had a 0007 on the first one, then I had a 5015 red on the second one. So that tells me I'll probably need to add a little bit of delay into the box, then it should bring it back in line. I just must be, I mean, this happens day to day, your reactions can vary. So anyway, probably gonna row about 10 numbers into it. First round, we'll see where we land at with that. So anyway, with that, probably just gonna dial 660. So here we go, first round coming up. Hey guys, stick with my 660. See how we go. Before it gets busy up there, I'm probably going to go with 61. They ran a 61 with a 9 that last time. I don't know. I'm contemplating to keep a 60 on it, but I'll see who I'm racing first. Right now I'm going to put a 61 on it. So here we go. He broke out. He broke out. Right guys, I might do a 660 or a 661. Right now I have 61, but I might change it to 660. So the other race, the other guy just broke out, had a 12 light, so happy with it. So here we go, round 3. Hope you can see that. 59. That was a good round. That round we had that one. The guy just didn't cut a good light, so it was took advantage of it. So anyway, here we go. Round 4 coming up. 59. So here we go. Okay guys, going to the 6th round, starting to lose track. Anyway, got a 56 on it. That really picked up that round. Another stellar light. I think I missed a light. He just happened red light. But anyway, okay guys, so close of a finish. Broke it out just by one number. I was contemplating doing a 57, 56. I should have stuck a 56, but broke out by one. Anyway, 5 light to a 7. Let me tell you what, that was a very good light, or a very good race, sorry. Anyway, with that, hope you like what you see. We're out of here, need to get loaded up and head off to Brum. So with that, next time. Alright guys, we ran into a shitty situation. I'm not gonna talk about it, it's pretty gross. I should have actually took pictures of it, but I didn't. We had to get out of there. Anyway,